Hi, my name is Kike Rodriguez, and today we'll learn how to create our virtual assistant using Twilio technology. The first thing we'll do is log in into our console and navigate to the AI Assistant section on the left-hand menu. Here, we'll find various options, and the first one is Create an AI Assistant. Click on the Create an Assistant and we'll give the name. In this case, we'll name it Education Assistant. It will create this assistant, and we can also add the company name if we are building a bot that will frequently reference the company. Well, then choose the intelligence version we want to use. For example, we have several options available and we'll go with the version 1. We can also define the assistant personality in this prompt. Let's set it to have a friendly personality. Perfect. We'll save the changes and proceed to the next step. Well, in this step, we can integrate an API or external connection. If we have a URL for retrieving information, we can add it here. For this example, we want to use an external connection. Instead, we'll use a knowledge base. This knowledge base can be added in different ways. Here, I will create one and name it my education database, along with a brief description, legal information on education rights. Okay? Next, we'll see various options. We can add a website, input information directly or as a text, upload a file, or use an external vector database. For this example, I will use two sources. The first source will be a website, so I will redirect the Colombian Ministry of Education page that I previously opened it, and I will add it here. Okay? We can also specify how many pages our AI should analyze. For simplicity, I will only include the main page. Additionally, we can set how often we want this page information to update. For now, I will choose never, but you can configure the update frequency as needed. Perfect. Let's save this process that will take a few minutes. Next, I will add a second source, Education PDF. I will download the PDF containing all relevant information about education rights. I will name it Education Rights. Locate my file, upload it, and let it process. The upload will take some time, depending on the number of pages. Once it is complete, we will link our assistant to a communication channel. Perfect. Here we can see all the assistants we have created. The one we just made is Education Assistant, as you can see. It's been assigned a unit code, an ID, which will be crucial for the next steps. In Twilio, you can use serverless function to set up the connection. I will share a tool to streamline the development process linked in this document, so don't worry. You just need to access to the link provided. Twilio has developed a tool that eliminates the need to write code manually. However, if you prefer coding, you can visit GitHub, download the code, and develop the solution for yourself. For this tutorial, we will take the easier route. Once logged into your console, the tool will automatically detect your account. Click in Deploy this application. This process will take a few minutes, but will generate all the necessary code within Twilio functions for connecting your channel to your assistant. Perfect! After a few seconds, the application is ready. Now, all we need to do is access the app and make the required changes. Click Go to Application and a new window will open. I will show you its purpose shortly. Returning to the console, navigate to Functions, Services, here you can see a newly created services. This service contains all the code needed to link your channel to your AI assistant. Don't worry, you won't have to write the code for yourself. It's already built into Twilio's solution. You only need to add a few variables. Now, go to Environment Variables. Here, where you can link it to Flex or OpenAI if needed, for now, let's focus on adding your assistant ID. Where do we find the assistant ID? Okay, no problem. Go back to the Assistant section and try to locate the Education Assistant. Just copy the ID and return to the Services and paste under Environment Variables. Perfect! It's almost done. After adding the value, just click in Deploy All. This will take a few seconds to complete, so just wait a little. Meanwhile, let's return to the page that opened when we clicked Go to Lab Application. Here, you will be prompted for Assistant's ID. Just paste it and it will guide you through connecting to your channel. You can link the assistant to a web chat, iOS, Android, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice channel. For this example, we'll connect to WhatsApp. Click in the option Click to View and you will see the specifications. It specifies that you will need a registered WhatsApp number, an instruction for configuring message coming webhook. Copy the provided URL. Go back to your console and navigate to messaging, then to WhatsApp, and then to senders. Perfect. Now, just select the WhatsApp channel, in this case, twilio.org, and paste the webhook URL under incoming message, and just save the changes. Perfect. The setup is complete. Now, let's test in our phone. Perfect. Let's open the channel in our phone and just type the question. For example, hi, could you provide information about the rights to education? After a few seconds, we'll receive a response. Just wait. Okay, we have here our response. If you see in the end of the response, you can see the phrase, do you have any other question or need more information? This aligns with the prompt that we set, instructing the assistant to ask follow-up questions. Now, let's try another question. For example, what laws support education in Colombia? Again, wait a little. And based on the training and knowledge base, the assistant going to respond that in Colombia, Law 115, known as the General Education Law, support education. This demonstrates how our virtual assistant handles conversation independently. Its performance depends on the training and knowledge base you associate with it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope to see you next time and take care. Bye.